guys, we just had some crazy information leaked ahead of the debut of the C8 Corvette, the official unveil. We got a picture of the C8 Corvette, the all-new mid-engine Corvette. We got some great details from the pricing, horsepower, the engine that's going to be used, what the engines are going to be called, the torque numbers. So let's go ahead and dive directly into the article, like an hour and a half ahead of the official release. Now, according to Motor1.com, the information was leaked from Esquire. It's saying that it's going to have a 6.2-liter V8 that's going to be called the LT2. That's not anything insane to think of. The current generation now has the LT1, LT2. That's just as expected. But it's going to have 495 horsepower, which is great. 470 foot-pounds of torque, which again is awesome for an entry-level Corvette. And the craziest thing is that this is supposed to hit 0 to 60 in less than 3 seconds. So technically, this could be faster than the new GT500. If that's the case, that would be really disappointing, which it's supposed to also be quicker than the 755 horsepower ZR1. So that's kind of crazy to think about. Now, as far as the transmission, it is going to have a dual clutch transmission. They are going to go ahead and kill out the manual transmission, at least for now. Same thing with the GT500. The GT500 isn't supposed to have a manual transmission, but it is possible with enough demand that the manual could be making a return. Now, with the Z51 Performance Package, it's supposed to have upgraded brakes, cooling, better exhaust system, just different things to allow for a little bit better performance. Now, further on in the article, it says that there is still going to be the removable top option, so that's really cool because I've always been a fan of that. I really wish the Mustangs would have something like that. It's like some T-tops or something, because having a removable top is awesome, and I am not a fan at all of the convertible Mustangs. Now, as far as colors, it's going to have a ton. It's going to have 12 colors, but there's going to be 3 new options, including Rapid Blue, Zeus Bronze, and Accelerate Yellow. Personally, I can't wait to see what those colors look like. I'll also have to wait and see. Now, as far as pricing, I believe this is kind of high, but it's supposed to be around the $70,000 range. But again, nothing's confirmed. This is all just leaked from Esquire. So, hey, we'll be seeing the actual information in less than an hour and a half. So stay tuned. I'm going to Corvette.com or Corvette's Facebook page, and I'm going to see the entire thing live. I'll make a video tonight, and I'll post it tomorrow morning, just my official reaction. I'm a Mustang guy, Ford guy. I've said it in so many other of my videos, but I am a huge car enthusiast, and I'm not a hater of any car brand. I might take jabs at Dodge and Chevy, but at the end of the day, I love cars, and I'm kind of glad that Corvette has decided to go this way with the mid-engine, because, this is just the next step up as far as performance goes. So stay tuned to Corvette's Facebook page. We will know the official specs here in a little bit. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.